Hey everyone, hope you're all doing okay. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this text stretching effect in After Effects. After creating the composition, I want to type the word legend. I chose the font Bebas No, I believe, for this text. Then I align the text to the center. Now duplicate the text layer and bring it down to the point you want to stretch the text. Select the pen tool and make the fill none, and the stroke should be thin so we can see what we are doing. Now I draw a long L. By holding Shift, I can draw a straight line like this. Now that I've finished, I want to make the stroke as thick as the text. And now to make our shape perfect, go to Path under the shape layer and make the shape perfect. I want the text to be stretched after 1.5 seconds. So I set a keyframe there and then come to the first frame and turn the long L into the normal L. The L is perfect, so there's no need to change. L is one of the most simple words to create. Okay, now let's go to Speed Graph and make the stretching smoother. Let's name this layer as L. Now it's time to create an E. We do the same steps again, make the stroke thin. In order to create an E, we need to create two shapes in one layer, like this. Select the shape layer and make the stroke thicker. You can see we have two shapes in our layer. Go to the path and make them both perfect. Again, let's set a keyframe, this time for both paths. Select all the keyframes and let's go to speed ramp and make the movement smoother. Now you can see how our L and E are stretching. Now it's time to create a G. Creating a G is a little more complicated than the two previous words. Here you should be more careful how you draw the lines. Let's make the stroke thicker and see what we have done. Yeah, RG is quite good. I make some minor changes here because I want the shape to look exactly like the font. Again, let's set a path keyframe here and go to the frame 0 and then bring the G up. But as you can see, we have a problem here. The G has lost its shape. Click on the path and start moving the points. Now it looks very good. Once again, let's change the speed of movement. For the second E, I just duplicate the E layer and change the X position of it. Next, it's time to create the N word. For the N, we need 2 points at the joint for this font. Again, I set a keyframe at 1.5 seconds and bring the N up. But as you can see, our shape has changed and we should move the points by selecting path. Now I change the speed of path movements. There's only the word D left, so let's create a shape like D2. Drawing D is a little challenging. For some words, you have to try a few times so you can learn the best way to draw them. We should do the same things for D. Thicker the stroke, change the path, set a keyframe, and etc. Now the D word is also perfect, so it's time to change the speed. We don't need the two text layers anymore. That was our text stretching effect. Now I just want to add a picture to make this like a poster. I want the picture to scale down when the text comes down. And I want this to happen with the same speed. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Subscribe to see more.